This video will teach you a simple but extremely powerful concept that will help you to make more money in less time. This concept is digital leverage. The problem this solves is that most people never get control over their time. They're stuck working a job that tells them what to do and when to do it. And because of this, they never have time to do the things that they actually want to work on. But digital leverage helps you to escape this. It basically allows you to get more without doing more. Because your input stays the same, but your output increases. So you'll earn more money in significantly less time. Once you build up digital leverage, you'll be able to earn with your mind instead of your time. And this allows you to work on the things that you actually want to work on. So you'll have a meaningful life that makes an impact, and you'll also earn a lot of money because of the leverage you've built up. So now that you understand how valuable it is, let's talk about how you build it. Digital leverage is basically your reach. So it's your audience, word of mouth, and other people's audiences. The way you build it up is by giving people a lot of free value. So this introduces 3 questions. What people, what is valuable, and how do you give it? Let's start with people. The person you're targeting is your ideal reader or viewer. So if you're a business, this is your ideal client. And if you're a personal brand, this is your past self. You're simply teaching them what you recently learned. And you give them valuable free content to educate them. Number 2, what is valuable? So what is valuable to them? Value is all about perceived value. So you have to understand human psychology for this. And it basically comes down to this. What people perceive as valuable depends on their goals. Everyone has goals that they think will improve their life quality. So this is what value is all about. It's about improving people's lives by adding benefits or removing problems. The strongest desires are linked to universal human desires. These are also called the 3 eternal markets: love, health, and wealth. These problems are linked to Maslow's hierarchy of needs, which means that people actually need these things. So help people solve a big problem in one of these 3 markets and you'll do extremely well. So now that you understand what value is, how do you give it? It's actually quite simple. You could even start doing it after this video. You give people value through free content. So this can be videos, tweets, articles, images, threads, podcasts, carousels, or newsletters. Eventually, you can also give value with a community and paid products and services. But it all starts with free content. You need to present your ideas well by learning how to write or edit videos. And you also need to have good ideas. In the case of writing, this means that writing needs to look good and be useful. You make it useful by giving people valuable content that either inspires, educates, or entertains them. And you make it look good with aesthetic writing. Aesthetic writing is the formatting of your writing. The reason that this matters is because people have a short attention span. So you want to make it easy for them to consume your content. The less effort it takes, the more people will consume it. When it comes down to videos, you also want to make it easy to consume. Most people are visual learners, so try to show visuals or B-roll to make it easier for them to learn. Here's a gamified skill tree that will help you to build digital leverage. You need to master writing, design, speaking, storytelling, video editing, idea generation, and human psychology. Break these skills down into actionable steps that you can take on a daily basis. Look at the daily actions as mini quests that give your character XP. This XP allows your character to level up until you eventually build up enough leverage to be free. That being said, you also need a high income skill if you want to monetize it fast. Without this, you won't be able to make any money with the leverage you've built up. I don't want that to happen to you, so check out this video next to learn the most valuable evergreen high income skills.